Alright, today is the day of death, I believe, for the Man Love fax machine.
Alright, we're going to give it one more honest try.
Joel's on the
All I want to do is make a copy of that. That's it.
Joel's on the roids.
I'm on roids.
And I'm on the
copy of this.
I'm on the Money Love, I think. That's what they call it. I better stay back. This should be pretty good.
So far so good, huh? It's not a good sign. I'm gonna open the door and then press OK. Okay. Close it with love, but authoritative love. Okay. Says it's copying. We'll help it along with the paper.
You'll see his face.
Yeah.
His face is turning
Really there.
How could you
I'm
not?
gonna take it. Look there, it's taking it. We're gonna save the cord because that works for the charging unit.
It's time. Yeah, it's time.
It's time, boys!
Woo!
Technology! Dang it, scene! We need a new fax machine, Bill.
Oh, dang it,
This one's broke.
Dang it, scene.
We're gonna have to get a new fax machine now. You freaking broke this one.
Dang it, Bill.
Dang it, scene. I was a little bit there. You should shoot this now. You need to send this. There you go. Alright. Super suck.
Those are hollow points in there.
Oh, well. Alright.